Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to add overlays to your Streamlabs OBS scene. Well, to do that, open your Streamlabs OBS software. Then in here, select the scene where you want to overlay. Now click the plus button under Sources and choose Image. Click the Add Source, then enable Add a new source instead. Rename it, then click Add Source. Now, browse your image file. Adjust its position and size using the drag handles. Just adjust it to enhance visuals. Consider adding additional sources like alerts or widgets. So let's add a widgets. For dynamic overlays, use browser sources for elements like chat boxes or donation alerts. And that's how to add overlays to your Streamlabs OBS scene. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.